Welcome back to the Hillsborough Library Test Kitchen and another episode of Will It Popsicle. Today we're going to use the popsicle molds that you can check out here at the library, and we're just going to see how it turns out. So, without further ado, let's answer the question, will it popsicle? Yeah, chili time. Did it popsicle? No. What a delicious way to beat the heat. Did it popsicle? No. A noodle popsicle? How could this not work? Did it popsicle? Yes. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. Did it popsicle? Yes! Oh. I don't know why people don't like cold oatmeal. This looks amazing. Did it popsicle? No. Hey, a new way to do breakfast on the go. Did it popsicle? Yes! Thank you for joining us here at the Hillsborough Library Test Kitchen and another episode of Will It Popsicle?